In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this car construction effect in DaVinci Resolve 19. The first step of this effect is to copy your clip and compound clip it. Then right-click on it, press Change Clip Speed and hit Freeze Frame. Go about 60 to 100 frames in on the clip and cut it. Delete the rest. Now, speed ramp the original clip. I won't go into detail in this video, but you can check one tutorial on my channel if you aren't familiar. Make sure the graph is the same as I have. Once it's done, your timeline should look like this. Copy the frozen frame a few times. Disable the top one by pressing D once it's selected. Open the middle one in the color page. Mask out a portion of the background. The point of this is to hide the car. You can also use Photoshop or some websites on Google for better results, but I'll show you how to do it inside DaVinci. Once you have masked the portion, go over to the Node section and add alpha output. Then, on the sizing window, use Pan, Tilt, and Zoom to move the masked portion over the car. Once you are satisfied with the first part, add some softness to the outside. Then repeat the process by copying the masked layer and moving the mask. Great. Now you can compound clip all of the freeze frames other than the top one, which is disabled. Enable the top clip, open it in the color page, and mask out the car. Go over to the Node section and add alpha output. Then add some softness below the car, so we get that nice shadow under it. Compound clip it, and then open it in Fusion. Add a polygon for the media in 1, and invert the mask. Mask out a wheel from the car. Now you can invert the mask back to the original. Copy the media in 1 and position the nodes like this. Add another polygon for it. Invert the mask and mask out another wheel from the car. Invert the mask back to normal. Copy the whole node tree and paste it on the side. Remove the polygon and add a new one or reset it by pressing on the circular arrow on the inspector window. Once again, invert the mask and then mask out another part. I'll do the front of the car. Move the nodes towards the media out, so the front part will be on top of all the other parts. Then copy it and mask out the rest of the parts. Once every part is in its own mask, add transforms for each one of them. Make sure you are on about the middle of the clip and make keyframes for size and center for each one. I'll first animate the biggest part. Go all the way to the beginning and move the part behind the front end. Scale it down if necessary. Good. Also do the same for the wheel. Make some small adjustments to the movements of the objects until you like it. You can also change the timing by adding the keyframes to different points. Once you are satisfied, open the spline window and smooth out each of the transform movements by highlighting the points and then pressing S to smooth them out. Now you can go back to the editing page. Compound clip the animation. Reopen it in the Fusion page and find Transform. Go to the last frame and make a keyframe for center and angle. Move the car up and change the angle slightly. Make the graph similar to mine. If you want to add some small movement, add camera shake and copy my values. It only needs one thing more, which is shadow. Copy the layer and disable the top one. Go over to the color page and turn down offset all the way. You can also use another way to do this if you want. Press on this icon to flip the clip upside down. Go to the last frame and position the shadow so it isn't visible. Add Gaussian blur to it. Animate the opacity in the end so it fades out. You can also drag on the upper right corner to make the fade. Compound clip all together and add a wanted shake to finish the effect. That's basically it.